In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively share your Canva creations during a Google Meet session. This process is seamless when you know the right steps, and with these instructions, you'll be able to ensure a smooth and professional presentation. Let's begin by navigating over to Google Meet. This is a fantastic tool not only for casual meetings, but also for more formal business presentations and creative showcases. So, if you haven't already opened it, go ahead and do that now. Simply type in meet.google.com into your browser and sign in if necessary. Once you're in your meeting or about to join one, you'll notice a white bar at the bottom of your screen with several icons. The one we're particularly interested in is the share screen icon, which looks like an upward-facing arrow. That's right in the center there. When you're ready, go ahead and give it a click. Next, you'll be presented with several options for what you'd like to share. You'll see choices like sharing your entire screen, a window, or a tab. For this specific case, let's choose the window option. This option is ideal as it allows you to focus on the Canva interface alone, avoiding any distractions that might occur by sharing your entire screen. Now here's where it gets specific. Make sure that your Canva window is already open. This means navigating to canva.com and opening the design or the project you intend to present. Keeping it ready before you begin sharing helps avoid any unnecessary interruptions during your presentation. Once your Canva window is perfectly set up and ready to go, it's time to make your selection. In the window sharing options, select the window displaying your Canva design. You'll usually see a preview thumbnail of the window to ensure that you're choosing the right one. Once confirmed, go ahead and click to begin sharing. At this point, participants in your meeting will see your beautifully crafted design directly from Canva, just the way you intend them to. And just like that, you're done. You've now successfully shared your Canva work with your Google Meet audience. This method is particularly useful for designers, educators, and marketers who need to exhibit creative work efficiently and professionally. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Always take a moment to preview your presentation setup, ensuring everything is in place before the meeting starts. This small step can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you share your creativity with confidence in your next Google Meet.